Now it's like, right there, now it's like, boom, I'm gonna go into my strikes. Oh shit, it broke the wall. All right, guys, in this lesson, we're going to be breaking down how to use an umbrella for self-defense, but just not any umbrella, a self-defense umbrella. Check this out. Solid, guys. But before I talk about it from a self-defense perspective, actually, my wife, I got one for my wife, and she loved it. And she was actually impressed how stylish it was, light, practical, very nice umbrella. It looks like a regular umbrella. So, you could buy it for your daily use, but also it's a great tool to defend yourself, especially this umbrella, which is designed for that. You have this point right over here, and you can see I just slammed it on the floor a couple of times. It is solid where I can strike this way, right? I can use it to open and use it this way. You also have this part over here, which is great, where I can strike here. Again, it's really solid. But guys, what we're gonna do is we're going to be breaking down how to use an umbrella for self-defense. If you guys are interested, self-defense umbrella, I'll put the link in the comment box. Keep watching, and let's break down how to use an umbrella for self-defense. So we're going to be breaking down how to use the umbrella from a long-range weapon. So there's a few ways you can use it. The first thing is, so let's say Mike is kind of the bully. He's walking into my face. If I'm here, I can just strike with this part right over here. I could also, from here, if I'm holding it, boom, strike right into the eyes, right into the face this way, or strike into the chest. I could also, from here, if I'm holding it, strike here, come this way, right? So, guys, it's solid. This is the part where I can strike into the face, maybe go into the eyes, strike into the throat, strike into the middle of the chest, and change levels as I'm striking, right? Now I could also use my other hand, I can still use my kicks, and the idea is to keep him back and not let him get in close, because again, I have this as a long-range weapon that I can use. Next, we're gonna look at how to use it in close quarter range.
I'll mess you up, bro.
All right, man, just here, what do you want? Oof, you felt that, right, Mike? Were you expecting that? No, so what did I do? I brought the umbrella up right away, transferred it here, struck into the face, come in with this part here. From there, I could go right into the eyes. I'm always continuing my strikes. Now I'm creating the distance to not let him get close. So in close quarter, you know, every weapon is an extension of your hand. It's understanding how to use it, right? And what does that mean? My hand is here, the umbrella's there. I can strike this way. I can come over here. I'm always continuing my strikes. I'm not breaking moments, right? I'm going one strike after another as quickly as possible. Now, grab me, Mike. Now, I've always said, guys, it's great to have any weapon that you can use, but every weapon is an extension of your hand. Also, do not get emotionally attached or dependent on it. It's just an extra tool, but a great one to have. So I could also try to resist Mike, I could also apply pressure here. So if I apply pressure here, I can elbow, I can palm strike, I can use this part, I can strike from here, boom. And that's the other thing, is that even though you're holding a weapon, don't forget about all your other strikes, right? Don't just stick to, oh, I got an umbrella, this is what I'm gonna use. It's a great tool that you can use, but if you're thinking, come over here, if I'm here and I strike here, he's thinking here, I'm already coming up with the palm strike. He moves back, boom, I'm striking there, I'm keeping the distance with over here, and I'm still gonna throw my low line kicks and try to keep him back and transfer and move around. I'm not gonna stay static. Again, move back, Mike. If I'm here and I'm doing this, it doesn't matter what boom. If he's here, boom, boom. Try to come in, Mike. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not letting him get close, right? I'm using my footwork. I'm moving around. My hands are up. I'm here, 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 here. If he had a weapon, which we're going to see next, I'll crack the weapon hands. I'm always in movement, okay? Mike, grab the knife. Let's look at it from the perspective where the attacker has a knife. Move back, Mike. Now, here's another thing that you can do, right? Mike, let's go. Come on, Mike. Let's go. Come on. Mike, what was so hard about it? Yeah. Can't even see me. I'm covering myself with the umbrella. Now look how I'm holding it. I'm holding it here. This hand is there. I'm holding its center mass almost like a shield. And I'm moving around. Striking high, I'm striking low. If I could, I'm even going to throw a kick. So he can't really see. I'm creating the distance. Now let's say somehow you broke the barrier. You grabbed the umbrella and you moved it. Say you came here. Now it's like right there. Now it's like, boom, I'm going to go into my strikes. Right? Again, it's an added tool, a very good added tool against a knife because it's all about getting the range, right? So if I'm here too, let's try it this way, Mike. Ready, go. Ooh, did you get me? No, it would have rang. Oh. Very dynamic, guys. Take off the helmet, Mike. How was that?
It was difficult to spot you even.
Yeah,
can't even see where you were.
Yeah. And the movement, guys. So again, if you see, I transferred from using it this way to in the middle of the fight, opening it. Right? So again, it's a great added tool. I talked about it. I got one for my wife because it's a great umbrella. It's very sleek, stylish, nice for your day-to-day, your day-to-day when it's raining, but it's also a great tool. And check it out, guys. Let's try to give it a little bit of damage. Shit. Solid. See, Costa. This thing could take a beating, man. Costa could take a beating. Mike, step on it. Ooh, damn. Go again, Mike. Wait, go. Shit. Still open. It's solid, bro. Wait. Oh, shit. It broke the wall. So guys, check this out. Definitely worth it. I'll put the link in the comment, guys, in the comment box. Make sure to get your self-defense. Still works. Damn, we gave it a beating, Mike. Good job.